Greetings everyone, welcome back to the channel. I don't want to take up too much of your time, but I wanted to let you guys know that SUPERCLEAN has partnered up with the channel once again, and we wanted to do a giveaway for you guys. So the fine folks down at SUPERCLEAN have given me free reign to set the rules for this giveaway. I wanted to make it super simple for you guys. So all you have to do to get entered in for this giveaway is be subscribed to this channel and comment down in the comment section below in this video. Also, if you go over to my Instagram, there's a link in the homepage where you can get to my Instagram. All you have to do is give me a follow and comment on the photo that says SUPERCLEAN Giveaway. That photo is live as of the recording of this video. So there's only one real big rule for this giveaway, and that is that you have to have a United States mailing address. We are not going to be able to ship outside of the US, I'm sorry. The winner will receive one bottle of the original SUPERCLEAN spray plus an aerosol can as well. It really is a great product, you guys, and I know that you're going to get a lot of use out of it. Here's the kicker though. You can actually get entered in to win twice. So if you comment on this video and also comment on the SUPERCLEAN giveaway photo on my Instagram, you get double the chances of winning the SUPERCLEAN giveaway. I truly am stoked that the guys and gals down at SUPERCLEAN wanted to give me a chance to do this giveaway for you guys, and I've always wanted to do things like this for my subscriber base because you guys mean the world to me, and I really, really mean that. So once again, thank you to all the guys and gals down at SUPERCLEAN. I really appreciate it, and I really appreciate you guys for sticking with the channel this long. All the new people that are coming in, welcome. I really appreciate you guys as well. For my longtime subscribers, just thank you from the bottom of my heart. I really do appreciate it. So with all that being said, you guys get subscribing and following and commenting. Really, the best of luck to all of you. We will be randomly picking a winner Friday, March 19th. So that gives you a little bit over a week to get entered in for this giveaway. So thank you guys once again for checking out the video. I really do appreciate it. Remember to subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Take care and have a great day.